Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Zach here, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu, our daily update, and well, we are primed potentially for a big breakout, and we're going to talk about that in this video. Right now, Shiba Inu is sitting in the 30th spot on the market cap. Some nice movement here in the 24-hour period, up almost 6%. Last night, some great movement in the 24-hour period. We saw 32% gains yesterday at certain times during our live stream last night. So let's get right into it. Before we do, make sure that you understand that this is just for entertainment, informational purposes only. Take everything you hear here in this video with a grain of salt. Listen to all different people talk about various strategies, various tokens, and take all that information to help you make better investing decisions. So a couple things we have to address right now with Shiba Inu. So first and foremost, I want to bring this to your attention. The Shib cyclical nature. So this was sent to me by a good friend, Mark Jansen, one of our moderators in our live stream chats. So check this out. We saw a spike in January, dropped 90%, consolidates for about 26 days. Next spike, 430%. Then we saw a spike in March. Then it dropped 70%. Consolidates for 25 days. Next spike, 1,900%, right? So if history continues here, I think we're getting into some really interesting territory. Saw a spike in April, dropped 77%, consolidates for 16 days. Next spike, 2,800%. Here we are, a spike in May, dropped 66%, consolidates for how many days? Next spike, what could be the percentage spike here that we could see if history repeats itself from the past couple months here? January, March, April, May. Every time we've seen a big drop, we've seen a nice consolidation period. Where are we going to go now? That is the question. We've got a few catalysts that we're still waiting on, one being ShibaSwap, another brought to our attention yesterday. So Kai Green put out this tweet. First off, Kai Green, let's see who he is. For those of you who don't know, he's a bodybuilder. He's got over 303,000 followers on his platform here on Twitter. He's been a huge fan of Shiba Inu and various cryptocurrencies. He says, not financial advice, but heard a rumor that the Robinhood app is picking up Shiba within the next week or two. Now, just want to preface this by saying we don't know if this is going to happen, okay? Why he would say this? Potentially just for, clout reasons, reasoning, just to get his name out there. But I truly think he knows something. I mean, in fact, what really would be a motivating factor for somebody like him to tweet this out? So we've talked about it on stream. Obviously, it's pure speculation. It's pure hypothetical. But in terms of what Shiba Inu would look like on Robinhood, I think it's a match made in heaven. I think it's a perfect match. Right now, the only meme/community coin listed there is Dogecoin, of course. On Robinhood right now, and you can see that I responded to Kai Green's tweet here. Kai, where did you hear this rumor asking for the Shiba token army? But on Robinhood, you've only got 5 assets in the crypto space right now, okay? You've got Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, okay? So, man, would this be a nice addition? I mean, this would be, I think, the biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu if it were to be added to Robinhood. Again, pure speculation right now, just a rumor. Of course, ShibaSwap, another potential catalyst, but I think Robinhood would be a bigger catalyst, especially in the short term. Last night on live stream, Eric talked about this would be a huge short-term catalyst where ShibaSwap would be more of a long-term catalyst. And I agree with him. I agree with him wholeheartedly there. So, but this is an important piece of information right now that we're still trying to dig up, see if this is actually true, see if we can get any other smoke, if you will, because again, where there's smoke, there's fire. So we'll have to keep this on the radar. As for Shib token on Twitter, so they're up over 500K followers, which is great, up over 500,000 now. Haven't really tweeted in a few days, but every time they do here recently, they're adding the asset to various exchanges. So Everest World has added it, HitBTC in the last few days, as well as CryptoMat. So all 3 of these have added the asset Shiba Inu in the last 5 days. So still waiting on some big news. I will say going to the website has been a little clunky at times. Over the past couple days, I've went there a few times. The link has been kind of not connecting, not taking me to the entire website. A lot of people speculate that they could be working on some back-end things, some coding as it relates to ShibaSwap on the site. That's for sure a possibility. Definitely a possibility as to why it hasn't been operating as smoothly as usual. But this is the big article of the day. Shib price to double after Shiba Inu endures 2-week-long consolidation. The Shib price continues to form a descending parallel channel on the 4-hour chart. Shiba Inu is making a significant move upwards as it has finished rebounding off that lower trend line, something we talked about right here. Shib, the cyclical nature of this asset right now, is it primed for the next spike? This article thinks it is. While the cryptocurrency market recovers from the recent crash, the meme coin could reverse a period of underperformance. So we scroll down here. Shib price, primed for a breakout, has been trading within a descending parallel channel on the 4-hour chart since mid-May. Okay, Shiba Inu has continuously formed lower highs and lower lows, which can be connected with parallel trend lines to show a downward trend. However, recently, Shib price bounced off the channel's lower trend line, heading north to tag the topside resistance. Despite almost 2 weeks of consolidation, Shiba Inu has overcome indecision, working in favor of the bulls after gaining over 55% in market value from its bottom. Scroll down here a little bit further. Should the meme coin manage to break, here's the levels we're looking at, okay? Should it break above the 11 mark, the 1100 mark, its market value could double, okay? Indeed, it could reach 1816, which coincides with the 27.2% Fibonacci extension level. Investors must wait for confirmation before the bullish thesis can be validated. Now, since there's a little price history for an asset like Shiba Inu, this is something we talk about on the channel. There's not a lot of historical analysis you can do on this particular asset at the moment. It's essential to consider the downside potential this also has. Now, given the recent weakness witnessed in Shib price action, the dog-based token is likely to find meaningful support at the lower trend line of the parallel channel. A downswing from the current price point would result in a 67% decline to a new all-time low. So there is the potential this could move in the opposite direction as well. So let's take a look at where it is on the market cap and take a look. It's in the top 30 still, now up almost 10%. So we started at 6% during this video. This is how quickly this is moving. This was up over 4 billion in market cap last night. Right now sitting at a 3.7 market cap, which is still up from where it's been. And we scroll down here, take a look at some of the highs and lows here in the 24-hour period for Shib. The 0858 level has been the low. The 1195 level has been the high. And we scroll down, market cap is up 5%, sitting there at 3.6 billion. And if we come down here and take a look at the 30-day, it's really interesting. So the all-time high has been set in this 30-day period of 388. So the 90-day, you can see that same all-time high. And can we get back up there with some good news like ShibaSwap and Robinhood? I think so, and especially if it becomes this news right here. This is the one that I'm really going to be watching closely, and hopefully we continue to hear rumblings of this rumor because, again, where there's smoke, there's fire, and I think Robinhood would benefit. I obviously think Shib would benefit. And guys, if you got some value out of this video, make sure you drop a like down there, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you stopping by the channel, and I will see you in the next one, in the next Shiba update. Take care.